Alright, this is just a quick little tutorial on how to make a personal copy of this public board. It was confusing to me the first time I looked at it too, so you're not alone. What we need to do is, it's the show menu button that's over here, and by default, for me anyway, it came up with about this board. So you need to click the little back arrow, go back to get to the main menu, then click on more, then click on copy board, and you just name it whatever you want. Demo. Obviously you want to keep the cards because that's all of the important stuff in here, and then you click on create, and now you have your own copy of this, and hopefully it will be of great value to you. So again, you can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you search up Third Power Performance, or go to thirdpowerperformance.com, or you can actually just drop me an email, dan@thirdpowerperformance.com. Look forward to hearing your success stories with this Trello board. Thank you.